the 16th President, Mr. Samuel Agbeliu MNI, FCTI. Standing before you, we have a total of 605 inductees. Having applied for membership of the Institute, I've been found eligible to be admitted as associate members of our esteemed institute.
605 men and women have joined the ranks of chartered tax practitioners in Nigeria. The CITN hosts membership induction twice in a year. Qualification is by examination or by experience. The last professional examination was held in October 2023 and outstanding performance emerged.
Everything that I've learned so far, I guess this is also continuous practice. This also teaches you new things that maybe you don't see on your day-to-day that you can now obviously put into your work. If I was already specializing in tax audits, now I have income tax to, broaden my knowledge, broaden my base, and I guess that's what it is. This is like increased knowledge, increased practice, more to do, more to learn.
I'm trying to bring in top-notch professionalism, and I feel like right now in the taxation sphere, we need to be more aware and more enlightened and improve ourselves. We need to keep improving, not just because of the exams. We need to keep improving our skills and whatnot through programs and seminars and all of that.
Information, they say, is key. So when it comes to tax practice, the taxpayers and the general people have to be informed. So I feel that we should actually intensify on enlightening the tax-paying public and general public more. So once they know what to do, they know their rights, they know when to do what to do and what it is right. So, and when somebody comes to them with what is not right, based on the enlightenment that they have been receiving or what they've heard, they can be able to know which is right and which is not.
I have so much I will put into the tax system and into the tax net.
The 50th in the series of induction ceremonies was held on Thursday, the 25th of April 2024.
I want to welcome us all to the 50th induction ceremony, which we have tagged the Golden Jubilee Induction of our noble and great institute, the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, holding this day, Thursday, the 25th day of the month of April in the year 2024.
To our soon-to-be members, I extend a heartfelt welcome. You are embarking on a journey that will not only challenge you, but also inspire you to reach new heights of excellence in your aspiration and career as tax professionals. As you add this new feather to your professional cap, remember that you are not just joining an institute, but a community dedicated to fostering learning, innovation, and personal growth.
Barrister Abuja is the 16th president of the CITN.
Taxation rests on economics, law, and accounting. So whatever the law does not provide or prescribe, you can't say it. If company income tax is 30%, it is 30%. It doesn't yield to discretion.
On the ongoing tax reforms,
the establishment of Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reform reflects a resolute commitment to charting a course for sustainable economic growth through effective and efficient taxation. What the President has said, the step he has taken, in the day he inaugurated that Presidential Committee, he made some comments. He said, don't tax the seed, tax the fruit. That means he wants the company, the enterprises to develop, to be nourished. Don't be in a hurry to put the taxpayer under tension. Don't do that. Let them thrive, let them assist. Once they assist, there will be opportunity for you to collect a lot of money from them. By the power conferred on me as the President Chairman of Council of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, I hereby call on all inductees to be upstanding, raise their hands to take the oath of allegiance as follows. I do solemnly swear that I shall always comply with the provisions of the Institute Charter, bear true allegiance to the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, obey all rules, so help me God.
From the special guest of honor,
Today, we welcome a new generation of tax professionals into the fold. As you embark on your careers, I want to urge you, 1, to uphold the highest ethical standards, service, teamwork, excellence, and professionalism which are the hallmark of the tax profession in Nigeria. Always strive to maintain the highest ethical standards in all your dealings, in everything that you do. Embrace continuous learning. I'm sure we're all aware of the amount of business that's going on online. There has to be ways and means in which we will be more comfortable and be able to deliver on all our mandates, especially in this digital economy.
And these words of inspiration.
You people have this skill today. You are in that elite group of less than 30,000 Nigerians who are certified as tax practitioners in this country. 200 million people to less than 30,000. I think the last number of inductees is just 28,000, and you belong to that class today. Please take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go. You are the golden inductees. The moment is really, really very auspicious. Nobody else can be the 58th inductee again. You are the golden class. May your life continue to be golden forever and ever.
This 50th in the series of induction was preceded by the statutory pre-induction orientation program held from Tuesday the 23rd to Wednesday the 24th of April, at which the would-be inductees were further prepared.
The 2-day pre-induction orientation training has been carefully packaged to produce vast insights into the Nigerian tax system that will expose you to recent developments in national and international tax administration, as well as contemporary trends in the digital economy.
Your participation in today's pre-induction program is a deliberate and essential step towards acquiring the required standard of knowledge and skills set by the Council of the Institute to ensure you all become well-rounded tax professionals.
In the spirit of the event, the would-be inductees sought clarification on sundry matters.
How long will it take someone to become a fellow after the induction today?
I want to know, from the date of being inducted into this noble institute, how long will it take to get the practicing license?
In answer to the first question, it's 5 years. And within that 5 years, we expect you to attend MPTPs. We expect you to be up to date with your subscription payments. And we also expect you even to be viable, as in to join a district society and be active with them. The second question, as long as you have the requisite experience of 18 months, you can apply for your practice license.
In the course of the 2-day pre-induction orientation program, papers were presented. The next stage after associate membership is fellowship. Of course, in between, if you really want to go into tax practice, you need to have a practice license which comes with a seal and stamp.